Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering JAMB 2020 Biology Past Question 12. An insect with a mandibulate mouth parts will obtain its food by A. Biting and chewing, B. Chewing and sucking, C. Chewing, and D. Sucking. An insect with a mandibulate part simply refers to insect with mandible. In other words, you can call this mandible the lower jaw. The lower jaw. Now, insects with mandible, for instance, e.g., a grasshopper, they obtain their food by biting and chewing. This mandibulate part of the mouth, which is the lower jaw, enables this insect to bite its food and also enables the insect to chew the food. And a typical example is the grasshopper. Those that suck their nutrients from the food are called filter feeders. Now, these insects do not possess a mandibular mouth part. Example are the mosquito. They have what you call the proboscis. It is the proboscis that enable them to suck this fluid from the host where they get their food from. But for those with mandibular mouth parts like the grasshopper, they bite and chew their food because of the presence of this lower jaw. So option A is the correct answer to the question: biting and chewing, not chewing and sucking, and not chewing alone and not sucking. So those that suck uses proboscis to suck, and we call them fluid feeders or filter feeders. So option A is the correct answer to the question. Thank you, and ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.